Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile link. So this can only be done through a desktop. So the first thing is to change your page or account URLs to head over to the official website of Facebook. Type in the word Facebook or your browser link in your browser address bar. Once the Facebook page opens up, you'll come across a screen asking you for a login or sign up by creating a new account. Once you open your account, you have to navigate in the settings tab. Go to the top right corner of the page and click on the downward facing arrow. A drop down box will open, and from within this box you can see the options settings and privacy. You should be able to click on there. As you click on settings, a new window will open. Here you will find your username, name, contact listed under the general account settings. From here you can enter your username by clicking on edit in front of the username. Once you click on edit, a box will open. Within this you can change your username and Facebook will notify you if your top username is available or not. You can also change your URL through the phone. You can download the Messenger app, and if you do this, then open your app. While Facebook also has the Facebook mobile app, you cannot use it to change your URL. Only Facebook Messenger app can be used. In case you cannot find the Messenger app, you can tap onto the top right section where is a Messenger application. Once you have opened Messenger, tap on the profile icon. If your app opens in a different window, press the back button to head back to see the profile icon. The profile icon will typically have your profile photo on it. Once you click on it, a window will open. As you will click on the tab username, a pop-up will open below. You will have the option to either edit your username or copy the link. Press on to change your username. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.